Hello. Welcome to today's video. Today we are looking for some drones. Before going to start the video, please subscribe to our channel. Let's start our video. First one. This is Zenrock with 1080p HD camera. You can buy it online within $80. Second one. This is Dji Airpower Drone. You can buy it online within $800. Third one. This is first-person view drone with 4K camera. You can buy it online within $300. Fourth one. This is Superpower Drone with HD camera. You can buy it online within $80. Fifth one. This is portable mini drone with camera. You can buy it online within $49. Sixth one. This is GPS drone with 4K camera. You can buy it online within $300. 7th one. This is mini lightweight and foldable drone. You can buy it online within $200. Last one. This is Wi-Fi mini drone. You can buy it online within $40. So, today we are looking for some drones. If you want those products, you can get them through the links below the description. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video.